Deep inside your body is a muscle you've likely never heard of, the psoas. It runs from your lower spine through your pelvis to your thigh bone and is crucial for movement, but for most of us, it's become a hidden enemy. As you sit, your psoas shortens and tightens, pulling on your lower back and tilting your pelvis. This isn't just stiffness, it's a quiet disruption of your body's architecture, happening every day. Our world is built for sitting, at work, at home, everywhere. The human body, designed for movement, is now forced into hours of stillness. The consequences go far beyond a sore back. Sitting triggers a cascade of changes, affecting muscles, bones, and even how your brain communicates with your body. Your chair may be the most dangerous object in your home, lulling you into inactivity. Key muscles deactivate, metabolism slows, and your body quietly collapses. You don't notice it at first, just a little more stiffness, a few more aches, blaming it on age. But it's not inevitable. It's the result of a lifestyle at odds with our biology. The aches and pains you feel, back pain, stiff neck, headaches, are symptoms, not random misfortunes. They're warning signs of a deeper problem that starts at your core and radiates outward. The real issue isn't just sitting, but not understanding what sitting does to us. By exposing this hidden enemy, we can finally start to fight back. And the first step is awareness. Sit up straight, shoulders back. We've all heard it, but this advice misses the point. It targets symptoms, not the root cause. True posture is a dynamic balance, not a forced position. Forcing your shoulders back just creates new tension if your foundation is weak. The real problem is deep biological adaptation, your body rewired by sitting. 4 hidden reactions happen every time you sit: tight psoas, screen-trained brain, gluteal amnesia, and a collapsed rib cage. These aren't separate, they're a chain reaction. To fix posture, we must address the foundation, not just the surface. The psoas is the main connector between your torso and legs, crucial for movement and stability, but hours of sitting keep it short and tight, pulling your lower back into an excessive curve. This constant tension compresses your spine, causing persistent lower back pain. No amount of stretching or ab work will help if the psoas stays tight. The effects ripple upward, your upper back rounds, your head juts forward, and your posture collapses into a question mark. This muscle, meant for movement, becomes a source of pain and stagnation. Stress makes it worse, keeping the psoas in a state of tension. Releasing it isn't just physical, it's about telling your nervous system it's safe to let go. Understanding the psoas is the first step to unwinding postural dysfunction. It's the hidden engine behind so much pain. Posture is a conversation between your brain and body, shaped by neuroplasticity. Hours spent looking down at screens teach your brain that slumped posture is normal. Your brain adapts, recalibrating your sense of alignment. Muscles in your neck and shoulders weaken or tighten, and good posture feels unnatural. For every inch your head moves forward, the strain on your spine doubles. Chronic neck pain, headaches, and jaw pain follow. Quick fixes don't work. You're fighting your own brain's new default. To reverse this, you must retrain both your muscles and your mind. Your glutes are your body's powerhouse, stabilizing your pelvis and powering movement, but sitting shuts them down, literally. Blood flow is restricted, and your brain stops activating them, leading to gluteal amnesia. Other muscles take over, causing tight hamstrings, overworked lower back, and inefficient movement. This imbalance leads to pain, poor gait, and increased injury risk. The tight psoas pulls your pelvis forward, while weak glutes can't pull it back. The result: a body that's tight in front, weak in back, the opposite of healthy. Reawakening your glutes is essential for restoring stability and power. It's not about looks, it's about function. Your foundation depends on it. As your posture collapses, your ribcage compresses, limiting your breath. Shallow chest breathing replaces deep belly breaths, overworking neck and shoulder muscles. This creates a feedback loop. Poor posture causes poor breathing, which reinforces tension and stress. Shallow breathing keeps your body in a state of low-level anxiety. The result? Chronic tension, poor sleep, and a body stuck in crisis mode. The collapsed ribcage links muscle dysfunction to nervous system stress. The tight psoas, weak glutes, and screen gaze all feed this cycle. Breaking it starts with awareness and small changes. This isn't a life sentence. Awareness is your most powerful tool. You can reverse postural collapse with small, targeted actions. Start with the psoas. Try a kneeling lunge, holding for 30 to 60 seconds per side, a few times a day. Next, combat screen gaze. Raise your monitor to eye level and practice chin tucks to retrain your neck. Wake up your glutes. Do bridges. Lie on your back, knees bent, lift your hips, and squeeze your glutes. Open your rib cage. Lie over a foam roller or towel, arms out and breathe deeply. These simple moves, done consistently, can restore balance and strength. Integrate movement into your day. Stand, stretch, and walk often. Your body is built to heal and adapt. The key is consistency, not intensity. Reclaim your posture from the inside out. Listen to your body's signals. They're not random, they're messages. With awareness and action, you can break the cycle. The blueprint for change is in your hands.